Origami, Minecraft. Wow! Origami creeper. All you need is 2 squares of paper, 1 pen or marker, and glue. Nothing else. So let's begin. So for this origami Minecraft creeper, you need a pen or a marker to draw the face of the creeper. You need glue to seal the edges and the flaps, and 2 sheets of paper. It's a modular origami model, that is why it requires 2 square origami paper. So let's begin by making the head and the body part of our creeper. So the head and the body. Let's begin by folding a paper into quarters. By folding it in half, unfold and fold this edge with the middle crease. Same thing with the other side. Unfold and repeat everything from the other side. So here we are done with our grid. Now we'll first draw the creeper face. So here is the creeper face with 2 eyes, rectangular eyes. So two eyes. Here I have drew the creeper face. I missed to tell you that you need to draw on the second square of the second line. So now let's make the rest of the creases. So our next creases are going to be 2 valleys over here and 1 mountain. So our valley is going to be like this. The first valley is to hold your paper like this. So the creeper is like on the 3rd layer from the bottom. So we'll fold it diagonally in half and just crease on the first square. This is a valley. Now we'll rotate it. So the Minecraft creeper face is like upside down. Now we'll fold this point to this point. Like this. And our next fold, which is like this, is going to be a mountain. Creeper face should be upside down and we rotate it right to left. And now we are going to fold our paper diagonally in half like this. And we are going to crease it, so it becomes a proper valley. Now we are going to pinch the creases we have already made. So we are going to pinch the creeper face from the top. This to be a valley, valleys and mountain. Now we are going to make some Ys. I am going to draw them. The first square is going to have 1 Y, valley Y. And the second square should have 1 Y. And I am going to crease and show you. So for the first Y, hold the creeper face properly. So the second line, second square, and fold this point to this point, bottom left of the creeper face. And we are going to crease it halfway it is okay if you cross a bit. So it's like this. And now for the second line of the Y, which is going to be like this, rotate it so the creeper face is upside down. Now fold this point to the third crease and fold halfway. Now you can fold, you can see the halfway point, the crease like this. And now we are going to make the line of the Y. So we had hold the creeper face like this. Now it's like this. It's leaning to the left. And now we are going to fold this edge to this edge. Sorry, crease. And we are just going to crease between the crease over here, which is like a valley. This crease. So here we have one Y. Now we need to make another Y, which is going to be skipping one unit and coming over here. So to make the second Y, hold it like this, creeper face properly, fold this corner to the third point. And we are going to fold halfway of the second unit, halfway. It's like this. Now we are going to rotate, so our creeper face is like this. And now we are going to fold it diagonally in half. But again, creasing only halfway of the second unit. And now again the stick of the Y. So this time we fold this edge to this crease, the top crease, not the edge, the crease. So here we have it. Now we are going to put a fold that originates between the points over here. So fold this edge to this crease. Fold it all the way now. It's like this now. Now we are going to do the trickiest part, which is the collapse. It's like the collapse. Now first, as I told you, we are going to crease the top as a mountain, the sides of the top as a mountain, turn over, crease this as a valley from the back side, this as a valley, and this is a mountain. So from the back it looks like the valleys look like mountains, so we put this crease over here above the Minecraft creeper head. Now we are going to put the second mountain crease, which is valley from the Minecraft creeper face side, and we are going to pinch it and we are going to fold it on this part. So this is going to be a valley crease from the face and a valley crease, mountain and valley. We are going to put it on it. I'll show it to you once again. All to be their creases. The first to be over here. The second crease needs to be over here. And the third, which was a mountain crease from the face side, now we are going to fold it into a valley first, fold it over here, and now we are going to tuck it in the first flap, and they will be locked properly. Carefully tuck it in almost done. Now we are going to just squeeze it like this. The part which was over here, the Y's. First, we are going to make the face part, which is the first block, into mountains. They are done. And now we are going to crease them. So we are going to crease them on the Y's. So if it is coming out again and again, you can glue that flap. After you have tucked in the flaps, we are going to make the head, which is the top part, into mountains. So we don't have any bumps. So they are done. Now we are going to squeeze it into this shape. So let's crease on the Y's. So here's the valley Y. Here's the second Y. And this crease. This should be a valley too. So when you push them all together, it becomes into a part like this. So here we are done with the head and body part. And now the easiest part, which is the legs. So we are going to begin by folding our paper in half. Unfold, fold the edges to the center, both the edges. So we are dividing it into 4 equal parts. Now we are going to fold these edges to the middle part. Now we are going to fold this whole thing in half, and while you are doing so, remember to put your finger and then do it, and then remove your finger so there aren't any bumps over there. So it doesn't need to be too sharp. Now we are going to fold the both edges to the center. Again, they don't need to be super sharp. This much is okay. Now we are going to fold these two edges to the this part, the crease. So it's like this. Now we are going to do some squash and reverse folds. So we need to first unfold these flaps, and now we are going to first take the front flap, the whole front flap, and we are going to just the front flap, we are going to fold it to this crease, making a valley crease, which is a diagonal valley crease, like this. Same thing with the other side. Now turn over and make this a mountain and this as a valley. So when you turn it over, this can become a mountain, and again when you turn it over, this becomes a valley. And let's do the same thing with the other side, all these squashes and reverse folds. You can rewind them if you want to recall. make it into a valley. Now it should look like this. After you made all the valleys and mountains, now make this into a mountain and now push both the legs together like this. So these are going to be the legs of our creeper. Now the final part, which is taking the head and putting it into the body. Taking the legs and putting it into the body. So the closed flap, which is on the front of the creeper face, that is the part where it is going to get assembled. And just push it in. After you push it and you think this is enough, and your creeper is ready to blow you up while you are playing Minecraft. It's like when you are mining, the creeper comes walking with its walking legs. Like this. And then it looks at you and it blows you up. Wow! Friends, one good thing about this origami creeper is when it blows you up, it doesn't get disappeared. And for more such videos, start now by clicking this subscribe button, give my video a thumbs up and share it to your friends. Thank you. Bye.